In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable order notifications for local delivery on Shopify. This is especially useful if you're running a business that provides local delivery services and you want to ensure that your customers are kept informed at every step of the process. It's a straightforward procedure, but crucial for maintaining communication and ensuring customer satisfaction. So let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you'll want to start by going to your Shopify admin page. This is essentially the control center for managing your online store. Once you're there, navigate to the home of your Shopify store. This section provides an overview of your store's activities and serves as the main hub for your store operations. Next, you'll need to click on the Settings option. You can find it on the bottom left of your screen when you're on the Shopify admin page. Clicking on Settings directs you to a whole host of options relating to how your store is set up and run, from payments to checkout preferences and everything in between. Once you're in the Settings area, head over to Notifications. Shopify's Notifications section is all about how your store communicates with both you and your customers. It's where you can customize the content of your emails, SMS messages, and more. In the Notifications section, look for Customer Notifications and click on it. This is where we will make the necessary adjustments to ensure your local delivery information is communicated effectively to your customers. The next step is to click on Order Out for Local Delivery. This notification lets your customers know when their order is on its way to them. It's important to ensure that this notification is enabled so your customers are aware and can prepare to receive their order. After that, select Order Locally Delivered. This notification confirms to the customer that their order has been successfully delivered. It helps to assure them that the package has safely reached its intended destination. Finally, don't forget to click on Order Missed Local Delivery. This is equally important as it notifies customers if an attempt to deliver has been unsuccessful, typically prompting them to take the next steps to arrange another delivery or pickup time. And that's it. By setting up these notifications, you're ensuring clear communication and enhancing the customer experience, showing that your business is reliable and organized. These small steps can make a big difference in how your customers perceive your service. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful Shopify tips.